I'm far more likely to hire somebody who I've known even via email for a few months versus somebody who just slides into my ZipRecruiter inbox or whatever. I'm far more likely to want to deal with somebody, of course, who comes through a warm introduction from somebody I already know. That means 1,000 times more than the best crafted email pitch. It's just that's how things work for me, and that's how things work generally around pretty much anywhere. And what's really funny is, or I should say, is when you look at organizations that are designed to not allow for networking and relationship development to have career advancement, so you look at like super unionized businesses or government bureaucracies, they use networking even more because there's such a formalized system for this person has to get promoted before you because dot 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 seniority, and the teachers union is going to go bananas if we do this. So that really uses networking because they don't want to get stuck with some schlep who happened to apply 48 hours before qualified people did. And so they're like, okay, we have to get ahead of this. We have to circumvent the whole system. How do we do that? They use their informal network to do it. And that's why it's so important. It actually, the stricter your environment, the more important your network actually becomes. Military, for example.
And I think you really you put your finger on what really bugs people about the term networking is that it's transactional. It's you're using the other person. The neighbor you have who only comes over to say hi when they want to borrow your shovel or your
Yeah.
rake or your thing. I was like, how do you feel about that person? It's like, well, I give it to him because it's like a small stakes thing, and I want a good relationship with my next door neighbor. But I'm not going to go out of my way to help this person because I feel like they just want one thing, and that's not really be friendly to me.
Hmm.
It's really just what I got in my garage. So
Exactly.
yeah, so
And,
building
and
that,
and let me give you a note there on that too.
yeah,
Then it's even more annoying when it's, oh, hi, Jim. Yeah, the kids are great. Yeah, it sure is cold outside. Do you need the snow shovel? Why are we still talking? Because you know it's just buttering you up and it becomes even more annoying. That's why digging the well before you're thirsty becomes even more important because what's really irritating is somebody asking you for something out of the blue. But what's extremely irritating is somebody chatting with you like they actually cared about, gave a crap about you, and then 15 minutes later or 2 days later going, by the way, really could use your endorsement for this position. It's like, oh, so our whole let's catch up for dinner was literally you just trying to get this. I would have appreciated it if you would have just asked for this because the answer is no, or the answer is yes. But now I feel like you literally didn't even care. Now I feel dumb for thinking you wanted to be my friend or you were chatting with me because you
right.
cared.